left serve. Salvage there by Don. And Malaluan again is given the ball. Look at Kat Arado keeping it in play. Half the point for Kat. For diving that ball. Nasungkit pa talaga ni Kat.
Ball, but Majoy Baron was there. She was able to tip it over. Take a look at that. So another substitution here for the HD Spikers. Heather Ginoo checking in for Lalong Isip.
Oh, right back.
Santos.
And Joy Baron will get that. Oh, and Don Katindig caught that one. Wow, what a block. That was tough. Tim Tianson coming from back row. Bantay na bantay naman ni Majoy.
Take a look at that again. Kitang-kita ni Baron yung attack niya kung saan pupunta.
And now, going for Tin Tiamson. Talagang, it's the Tiam.